Let's make some quick and easy Thanksgiving stuffing in the Blackstone Pellet Grill. We're going to start with about 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to get that boiling on the stove. Then I'm going to take a stick of this Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. It's a little more expensive, but it has some seasoning in it that we're going to use. I'm going to put about half of that in that chicken broth while it's heating up. The other half I'm going to put it in a pan and let it start to melt. Once that broth is boiling, I'm going to put 2 boxes of stovetop stuffing right inside there, let that cook. I'm also going to be using this already diced up carrots, celery, and onion. You can dice this stuff up yourself if you want. I just thought this would be easier. I'm going to dump that straight into that melted butter in the pan, let that cook. We're not trying to get this brown or anything, we just want it to be nicely softened. To that, I'm going to add a big heaping spoonful of garlic. Once my stuffing is done, you'll see it's pretty wet. I'm going to go ahead and add those vegetables that are sauteed up right to that stuffing. Mix it all up. To this, I'm going to add some dry cornbread crumbs. You could buy these at your local grocery store. They come in a variety of different kinds of packages and whatever. I'm going to mix that all up in there real good. And then at this point, it's ready to transfer to my pan. I'll spread that around in that pan so it's nice and evenly spread out. Then to this, I'm going to add 1 jar of this turkey gravy. You could of course use your homemade gravy. I'm trying to keep this cheap and easy, as low effort as possible. We've got a lot of cooking to do on Thanksgiving. Let's make things as easy as possible where we can. I'm going to go around with my spatula and just kind of work that gravy down into that stuffing a little bit. Then I'm going to add a few pats of butter to the top. Just about 6 pats of butter right across the top there. That'll melt down into that stuffing as well. Then we're ready to put it on the pellet grill. We're going to let that cook for about an hour, maybe at the most. May not need quite an hour. You want to get it to where it's starting to brown on top. And then that's it. Hope you guys give this a try. Let me know if you do in the comments. Until next time, thanks for watching.